Yo, 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 what's up, boys? What's up, ladies? What's up, traders? Good evening. Happy Friday night. And you read the title right. We did finish the week making $35,000, and we finished the day making $26,000 on the day, which is actually insane off of just one trade, waiting 1 hour into market open. If you guys are new to P's, or if you guys are intermediate traders, or if you guys are just wanting to have some fun, you guys can trade live with me every single day and actually learn these markets the correct way. Link down below if you want to join. I think I have to catch my breath now, but let's get ahead. Let's get into this market trading recap. Let's show you exactly how I was able to do it, what we identified, and what we need to do. So let's make myself a little smaller here. Yip-de-yay, there we go. And here we go. So first things first, you guys always know, if you guys watch my past videos, I'm a support resistance trend trader and I'm a scalper. So the first thing I'm always going to go ahead and do is identify my pre-market highs, my pre-market lows, which obviously is main level of resistance to prior day, which is right here, and main level of support to prior day, which is right here. So we kind of just stayed inside this zone all day or all evening long during after hours trading. Then I identified that we're going to have a little bit of resistance here, right? This was obviously a miniature level resistance. We hit it, we fell right back down. So I knew if this is going to be a little level resistance on a smaller time frame, let's go to the 2-minute here. When market opened on the 8:30 candle, where that's when we start live trading, we just went straight into consolidation, which makes sense. At 8:45, 15 minutes after market open, we had red folder news, which means that since it was red folder news, we don't trade. We sit on our hands, we grab these, we sit on them, we don't take any positions. We are very, very smart with that, okay? And then I was like, you know what? I'm not going to take a break off of this miniature level resistance because it's not worth it. Market this week, market in January, market last week has been very choppy, very wicky. There's no good, obviously, ROR, risk to reward on taking a breakout right here. Doesn't make sense. So I said, you know what? I got to wait for a continuation, pull back, and then another continuation. So what do we get? We absolutely got ripped way all the way up here at around 9:04, so about 34 minutes into market open. We just ripped, and what started happening? We hit the zone that we made, and where I make every single morning, and I even shouted this out to my Discord community, that we hit right here, and we were obviously able to identify that, and that's where that pullback happened to then get that continuation we were looking for. So we go to a smaller time frame, 2-minute time frame. We waited for a break of this zone, which we did to the T. And you can see we waited 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, almost 16 minutes on top of that. So almost an hour to obviously take this break. We went long right here, stop loss candle low, and TP at this next high here. So it was a good about 1 to 2 ROR, amazing ROR, and it was very simple. Yes, did we wait a long time for the trade? Yes, did I make it complicated? No. How did I make $26,000 off of that? Well, it's because I was trading personal capital. I wasn't trading profit from capital. And it was just a beautiful, clean, no drawdown play. And it was very, very simplistic. A lot of my other students banged it with making a few thousand to a few $100s. But trading isn't difficult, guys. It's about identifying your edge, knowing how to trade your system, and controlling your emotions, and then just repeating that every single day. Consistency is more important than money. Understanding your strategy is more important than money. And showing that you can show up every single day and not go on till will make you a profitable day trader. But other than that, just want to do a quick recap video for the people tonight. It is Texas in here, and this weekend we're supposed to get a blizzard, which is actually insane. So I hope everybody bunkers down, has a great night, and I'll see every single one of you guys in the next one. But we absolutely killed it this week.